Hello everyone, my name is Ipshita and I am currently pursuing my Masters in English Literature from Calcutta University. I know moving on to a college life from school in itself a big stepping stone for your career ahead. From choosing the right subject for honors, preferable colleges, form fill-ups, cut-offs, merit list and to the first day of college all together is a process that you all need to go through. So, I want to help you my juniors to figure this out and that you don't make any major mistakes in the admission procedure, or if mistakes have been made also, then how to rectify it. So without further delay, let's get into the video.
Also, we'll be giving you examples.
So for now the time being, let's say your 12th board results from different central and state boards have already been announced or yet to come. So now it's high time to choose and decide which subject as honors you want to opt for and which best colleges provide the degree on that particular subject. I have actually already made a video on how to choose colleges and subject, and also broadly discussed about English honors in particular. Please give it a check because your subject from here on will be your future decider. Now let's talk about the admission procedure. Well, this only continues for 2 to 3 months before the college starts. I will take you through it step by step. So let's start. Now this admission process happens primarily in two ways. A, merit based, that is on your 12th board results, and B, entrance based, that is some premium universities conducts entrance tests to double check the merit of the students and to choose the best among the best. So let's talk about merit based admission first. Keep check on the admission notice published on the website of premium universities and colleges. There they will be providing the application form link. Click on the link, go to their page and fill up the form. Fill up every blank and details carefully, from the full name of the applicant to the address, phone number, email, CBSE board or state board name, year of the examination and so on. While applying application form, you need certain soft and scanned copies with you as it will be an online process. They are like some of your passport size photos, results of 10th or 12th grade, self-attested Xerox copies, that is signaturing the Xerox copies with date, reserved or quota certificates if any. Please provide genuine information and certificates here. Check the eligibility criteria required to apply for that particular subject you want to take honors in.
Check the courses offered to the Faculty of Arts, your subject and its eligibility criteria.
And the provided combination of optional or pass subjects with it. This varies from universities and colleges, and don't worry much about those optional subjects. You can actually change the combination later on before your university registration after the college starts. Do the payment online and submit the application form before the submission date. Obviously, keep check on the last date of the admission. Apply as early as possible because you never know, glitch or server down of website can happen anytime and you don't want to risk it, right? Apply for more than at least 5 to 6 or more universities of your choice according to your grades to stay in safe hand. Also, many people choose 2 subjects for honors, like in one college they apply for, let's take history or pol science, and in other university education. Chances are, as in education there is less competition, you may end up getting the seat. Now that you have completed filling up the form, you have to wait for the first cut-off list. And in case of entrance-based admission as well, they will publish a draft merit list which will be having list of names of all the students applied for the exam according to their ranks. And let me know in the comment section if you want to know how to prepare for entrance exam in bachelor's and master's level as well. Anyway, in both the cases there will be cut off and provisional merit list, and the tentative date of the first list of any university will be in the admission notice or the admission schedule itself. Check it. If you have yourself in the list already, great, but whoever is not, please don't lose hope. Every year, colleges publish 3 to 4 cutoff list eventually. We'll explain the whole process in a while. Rather, keep checking on other universities and consider yourself in waiting list. So, the candidates who will be in first list will download the college admission form and compile it with class 10 and 12 mark sheet, school leaving, migration, character and reservation certificates if required. Then, submit it to the college online or offline as asked for within the 2 to 3 days along with the payment to lock your seat and to get admitted. Worst scenario, if you miss the date of the appearance somehow, which in any case you must not apply to the principal authority or college union cell. If you are lucky enough, you might get the unlocked or absent seat on the second or next merit list dates if any candidate is absent.
Let's take an example. There are 30 candidates applied for 10 seats. So, in first cutoff list, only 10 students will be asked for verification. But suppose only 6 students actually appear. Reasons might be others have got into other colleges and so on. So, there is lack of 4 seats still now. Second cutoff list will be out for those 4 seats only, and in them 2 seats gets filled. Now take one of the candidates who got admission from first list wants to cancel the admission. So again there is lack of 3 seats.
In case of absence of candidates from the first list, the subsequent list will be published until the seats get filled. After completion of admission procedure, the classes for first semester will start. Candidates be super active and informative about the notices provided by distinct universities and colleges. Keep a hawk eye and ask help of seniors. Also, there are a bunch and lot of videos talking about the admission procedure in the distinct universities in YouTube itself. So, all the best juniors. I wish you the best that you can get into your dream college universities with the dream subject for honors. So, take care and bye-bye.